Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the vitamins, the food sources, the dietary allowance, the active coenzymes, the principal metabolic functions, and the major clinical manifestations of the deficiencies of water soluble and the fat soluble vitamins. Okay, so we are going to learn about everything: name, the active forms, those what are the sources from which we get vitamins, daily requirements, the functions, and the deficiencies. Okay, in short, means it is a gist, means we can remember it in a shorter form. So let's start it with the water soluble vitamins. That is, first is thiamine. Now, thiamine's active form is TPP. So, sources we get it from cereals, meat, nut, greens, vegetables, and eggs. Daily requirement is 1.0 to 1.5 milligram. Now, what are the functions? Coenzymes for oxidative decarboxylation and transketolase reaction. Okay, yeah. Now, deficiency manifestations are beriberi, Wernicke's Korsakoff syndrome. Okay, this is about vitamin B1, that is thiamine. Now, vitamin uh, B2, that is riboflavin. Now, FMN and FAT are the active forms in which the vitamin B2 is in produced in our body. Okay, yeah. The sources are yeast, germinating seeds, green leafy vegetables, milk, eggs, liver, meat. Now, what are the daily requirements? Daily requirement is 1.3 to 1.7 milligram. Functions are coenzymes for oxidation, reduction, reaction. Mm, Now let's see the deficiency. Cellulosis, glossitis, dermatitis, vascularization of cornea. This is about B2. Now B3. See, niacinamide is, it's very common vitamin B3, and it's good for your skin overall. Overall your skin, we can say, your bones. It can be a good manifestation vitamin. Okay. Now, niacin, that is vitamin B3. Active forms is NAD plus and NADP plus. Sources are from yeast, legumes, liver, meat. Daily requirement is 15 to 20 micrograms, milligram, and the function is coenzyme for oxidation reduction reaction. Deficiency is pellagra. Now, the fourth vitamin is, that is pantothenic acid, vitamin B5. Active form coenzyme A. Sources: wheat, germs, cereals, yeast, liver, eggs. Daily requirement is 5 to 10 milligram. Functions are acinyl carrier. Deficiency burning feet syndrome. Okay. Now the fifth is pyridoxine. Now pyridoxine, the active form is PLP. Sources are yeast, unrefined cereals, pulses, vegetables, meat, fish, egg yolk. The daily requirement is 1.6 to 2 milligram. Now the functions are coenzyme for transamination, decarboxylation, non-oxidative deamination, transsulfuration reaction. Okay, just remember the gist, means you just have to remember some certain words. Okay, yeah. Now the deficiencies are convulsions, dermatitis, hypochromic, microcytic anemia. Okay, yeah. Now biotin B7. Now the active form is biotin. Enzyme bound biotin. Sources are from liver, kidney, egg yolk, vegetable. Now daily requirement we get is 150 to 300. Now this is microgram. Okay, these are required in the minute quantities, but it is required for the bodies. Coenzymes for carboxylation reaction, and deficiencies are rare dermatitis. And biotin is also good for your health, hairs, nail beds, and overall your lusterness of your skin. It is good and it is required. Now the folic acid. Mm, Folic acid, active form is TH, that is tetrahydrofolic acid. Tetrahydrofolic acid. We get the sources from green leafy vegetables, liver yeast. Daily requirement is 200 microgram. Now the functions are carrier of one carbon unit, synthesis of methionine, purines and pyrimidines. Deficiencies are megaloblastic anemia, neural tube defect. See, folic acid is extremely important in pregnancies, because it can the requirement of iron, the folic is extremely high in the pregnancy. So folic is extremely important in those period. Okay, to get the good amount source for that. Now cyanocobalamin, that is vitamin B12. The active form is methylcobalamin, deoxydenosuccinylcobalamin. Okay. Now sources are from only animal origin: meat, egg, liver, and fish. The daily requirement is 3 microgram. Functions are coenzymes for reactions: homocysteine of methionine, methylmalonine coenzyme to succinyl coenzyme. Okay, and the deficiencies can be pernicious anemia, megaloblastic anemia, neuropathy, that is dementia, then is methylmalonic aciduria. These are the deficiencies of vitamin B12. Now the last is ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. Now ascorbic acid active forms are ascorbic acid. Sources we get citrus fruit, amla, leafy vegetable, tomatoes. The daily requirements are 60 to 70 milligram. Now the functions are antioxidant involved in hydroxylation reactions in the synthesis collagen, steroid, hormones, adrenaline, etc. Facilitate absorption of iron from intestine. Okay, facilitate the good iron absorption from the intestine. Okay, sorry. Now another daily deficiency manifestation will be scurvy. Okay, we all know that scurvy, bleeding from the gums, it can be anything happen. Okay, yeah. So these all are water soluble vitamins. We will revise it again. Thiamine, vitamin B1, riboflavin, vitamin B2, niacin, vitamin B3, pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, pyridoxine, vitamin B6, biotin, vitamin B7, folic acid, vitamin B9, cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12, ascorbic acid, vitamin C. Hope you are good with this video. We will next come to with the fat soluble vitamins. Surely.